We are talking of a man who has been a local champion wherever he has gone to. I mean, he won the league with Chelsea, he won the league with Inter Milan, he won the league titles with Juventus. Then who on earth bets against him not succeeding at Tottenham Hotspur? I will, and here is why. We know his antecedent. He has been a local champions in all the clubs he has managed. Won the league with Inter Milan, won the league titles with Juventus, and also won the league with Chelsea. But Conte is a very demanding coach. I mean, this is a guy that left Chelsea. He had issues with Chelsea. He had issues with Chelsea, but as regards transfers, he left Juventus due to transfer policies, and also he left Inter Milan due to Inter Milan's decision to sell Romelu Lukaku and Achraf Hakimi. Conte is a kind of guy that no matter what you give him, he will never be satisfied. Just like a lady that will never be satisfied, even if you bring the world to her feet. Whatever you do for Conte, no matter what you do for him, he keeps demanding for more. And with Minister of Economy in charge, Daniel Levy, it is difficult to see that he will be giving huge chunk of money to spend. If in the last 5 seasons, Tottenham Hotspur are not among the top 10 spenders in the Premier League. In fact, they are not even among the top 15 spenders in the Premier League. That aside, you should not consider the fact that Conte left Inter Milan because he will not be able to. It will be difficult for him to retain the Scudetto with the sale of Lukaku and Achraf Hakimi. Then at Tottenham Hotspur, what is the chance? What is the feasibility of him winning the Premier League if you consider the financial muscle and also the materials available at rivals with Manchester City, Chelsea, Liverpool, and Manchester United at the moment? As far as I'm concerned, this is a marriage that is bound to fail. Kindly let us know what you feel about this topic in the comment section. Like this video, share with friends, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.